Drilling machine processing is one of the most fundamental and widely used techniques in machining, integral to virtually every industry. At the core of drilling lies the coordinated action of rotary cutting and vertical feed. The spindle drives the drill bit in high-speed rotation, generating the cutting force, while the bit advances axially at a constant feed rate along the vertical direction of the workpiece. Through the combined cutting and scraping action of the drill's cutting edges, producing round holes, blind holes, or stepped holes that meet precise specifications. The drilling process is methodical and precision-dependent at every stage. The workpiece is securely clamped to the worktable to prevent movement during machining. Drilling parameters are then set via a CNC system, and the hole position is accurately located. Drilling offers a blend of convenience, efficiency, and accuracy. It is suitable for a wide range of materials, including carbon steel, cast iron, stainless steel, and aluminum alloys. From mounting holes in household appliances and assembly holes in automotive parts to connection holes in mechanical equipment, drilling remains an indispensable step in manufacturing.